hungry. I have not eaten anything for 7 days. I am looking in the trash can. I want to find some food. Even a little bit is enough. There is nothing in here. I need to look for something else to eat. These people are eating pizza and enjoying it. I have not eaten anything for 7 days.
I really like mozzarella cheese pizza.
I will eat all of it. Eating pizza while sitting in the park is very fun.
Excuse me, sir. Can you give me a slice of pizza? I have not eaten anything for 7 days.
You smell very bad.
Please go away from here and do not spoil our pizza.
I will eat a piece of bread from here. Maybe this will fill my stomach. Help me! Please help me! This drone is very cool. It goes very high and takes very good pictures. Mom's handmade sandwich is very tasty. But I cannot eat the whole sandwich. Pack half of the sandwich. I will eat it later. Help me! Oh no! My expensive drone is broken! What have you done? Poor girl, what are you doing in this park? You do not belong here! Get out of here! I am so sorry. I did not break it on purpose. Some dogs were chasing me, and I was running away from them. Do you even know how expensive this drone was? How would you know? Your clothes are torn. Just leave this park. Do not show your face here again. Nobody talks to me with love. Maybe it is because I am poor.
I will explore the park a little more. Maybe I will see some more interesting things.
Why is this girl crying? I think I should ask her. My name is Layla, and I have not eaten anything for 7 days.
Everyone I ask for help treats me very badly. They tell me that I cannot stay in this park and I should leave. Some dogs were chasing me just now. I was running, and I bumped into a boy who was flying a drone. He also said very mean things to me.
I am so sorry that people treated you this way. I have half a sandwich, and I can give it to you. Besides this, I have some apples and strawberries too. You can keep these as well. Thank you so much for helping me. You are a very good girl. Now how will I fly this? I think it is completely broken. What happened? Why are you sitting here so sad, and what has happened to your drone? I was flying my drone, and a poor girl bumped into me, which caused my drone to fall. I think Tom bumped into that same girl. That's why she was telling me that someone scolded her very badly. I also met a girl who was very needy. I gave her some strawberries, apples, and half a sandwich. Was that girl wearing torn clothes? Yes, her clothes were torn, and she was crying a lot and was also hungry, so I helped her. Anna, she was the one who broke my drone. Why did you give her strawberries and a sandwich? Go back and take them from her. I am going to take all the things back from her. She doesn't deserve them. Poor girl. First you broke my drone, and now you are eating our strawberries and apples? Give them back to me! Please do not hurt me. Take these strawberries and apples. No. Tom! Don't do this! Tom, don't do this!
Tom, what are you doing? You have no manners. You don't take things back from someone like this.
And she didn't break your drone on purpose. Don't be mad at her. You don't know. She broke my drone, and now my parents will scold me.
Parents will not be angry because the drone is broken. They will be angry because you were rude and misbehaved. Please, do not fight because of me. I did not mind. It is okay.
Did our parents teach us this? They always told us to treat others with kindness. I think I made a big mistake. I was so angry that I did not realize what I was saying. I am very sorry that I insulted you. Please do not take it to heart. I was just very angry. Take your strawberries and apples. Also, I have a special chocolate for you. Please keep it. It is okay. I forgive you. I think you are a good boy. Your parents taught both of you very well.
If you need anything else, let us know. We come to this park for a walk every evening.
Thank you. That means a lot.
It has been a while.
And we cannot see the kids.
I think they might be exploring somewhere.
Probably by the pond. It's been a long time. Let's go and find the kids.
You're right. Let's go.
Hey! You are sitting here? We looked everywhere for you. And who is this cute girl with you?
Yes, Mom. This is Lily. She was hungry, so I helped her by giving her some strawberries and apples.
I am sorry, sir. I broke the drone of your son. I was running away from some dogs and I bumped into it.
That is why Tom yelled at her and was rude, but now he feels bad about it and he said sorry.
Anna, please stop now. I was angry, and I already said sorry. I even gave her my chocolate.
My children, you did a great job.
We should always help other people. When you help one person, they often feel inspired to go out and help someone else too. Okay, we are leaving now.
See you again, Lily. Now we are friends.
Bye-bye. Bye, thank you.